Hello everyone, my name is Tej Srikant Sutar. Today's date is 21 December 2022. Today's my video topic is hierarchy in exception handling in Java. First of all, we see what is exception handling. Exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that we can regulate the flow of the application that can be maintained. In Java, exception handling is a mechanism to handle the runtime errors such as class not found exception, IQ exception, SQL exception, etc. And remote exception. Exception is an unwanted and unexpected error which occurs during the execution of the program and at the runtime that interrupts the flow of the program instructions. There are major reasons why exception handling is occurs. First one is invalid input, second one device failure, third one loss of network, fourth one code error. Now we see the hierarchy of an exception. All the exception and error types are subclasses of class throwable, which is the base class of the hierarchy. One hierarchy is handled by the exception. These classes is used for the exception condition that user program should catch. The null pointer exception is an example of such an exception. The Java.lang throwable class is the class of Java exception hierarchy. Inherited by the two subclasses. First is exception and second one is error. Now first hierarchy is arithmetic exception. If we divide the number by the zero, there occurrence of an arithmetic exception. Second is a null pointer exception. If we have a null value in any variable performing any operation to the variable, it throws the null pointer exception. Next is SQL exception. This type of exception occurs while executing queries to database, executing the queries on the database related to the SQL syntax. Next is IQ exception. These types of exception occurs while using the IQ string operation on the code. Next is array index out of bound exception. This type of exception occurs when we try to access the array which an invalid index value. Suppose example array of length is 5 and we have to access the 100 index of number. At that time array index of bound exception is occurs. Next is a number format exception. This type of exception occurs when we pass a string to the method and that cannot be converted to a number. That at that time number format exception is occur. Next is runtime exception. These exception are subclasses of unchecked exception. That's all about hierarchy of an exception. Thank you.